Are you tired of searching for ways to make money online but don't know where to start? In this video, I will show you 5 real and beginner-friendly ways to earn money online, even if you have no experience and no investment. Make sure to watch till the end because the last method is the easiest and most powerful. Freelancing is one of the best ways to earn money online. You can sell your skills like graphic design, web development, content writing, and video editing. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients worldwide. You don't need to be a union expert. Start small, build your profile, and slowly increase your earnings. You can create digital products like coloring books, recipe books, and templates, then sell them on platforms like Gumroad and Etsy. Once you upload your product, you can earn again and again without extra work. This is called passive income. You don't need to show your face to earn from YouTube. Create videos using AI voice stock videos and simple editing. Pick topics like motivation, facts, tech, and earning tips. When your channel grows, you can earn from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Affiliate marketing means promoting products and earning commission. You can share links on WhatsApp, Facebook, and Pinterest. When someone buys from your link, you earn money. Many platforms offer affiliate programs so you can start easily. You can earn small amounts by doing simple tasks like website visits, app testing, and social media engagement. Platforms like SproutGigs and Microworkers make it easy to get started. This is perfect for beginners, but remember, consistency is key to earning more. Don't fall for scams that promise quick money. Real earning takes time, effort, and patience. Focus on learning and improving your skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more earning tips. Start today, stay consistent, and you can build a real online income.